Officer,
Sir?
you saw me at the stoplight, right? And waiting for the light to change. And without committing an offense, you decided to run my license plate, and now you are demanding my vehicle documents because something is not showing correctly on your system.
Yes, that's why I'm asking for confirmation.
So my question is, what was the offense that I was suspected of? What was the... Good day, officer. First of all, you did not say to me, you did not greet me well and properly and introduce yourself to me and tell me the offense that I have committed. I'm asking you for the offense that I have committed, officer.
Sir, did I state that you committed an offense?
No, I hear,
It shows that your insurance is out, so I'm asking for the physical documents to confirm if it's up to date.
Sir, my question to you is, what is the offense that I have committed that has caused you to decide to run my license plate with your cell phone to decide, and if you want to run my documents? That is the question that I'm asking you. 24658, 24601, 24724. Good afternoon, officer.
Police request a driver's license documents.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Terrence Scott. What is your name, sir?
Did the police request a driver's license document?
What is your badge number, sir?
I'm asking you a question.
Yes, sir, but I'm asking you a question first, sir.
You can't ask me that. I asked you a question. Did the police request a driver's license document?
The police came to me and said to me that while I was at the light, he decided to run my my license plate, and according to his system, that my insurance is currently up. So the question I ask of your officer is, what is the articulable, or what is the suspicion that you have against me that has caused you to demand of me for my vehicle documents, which is according to the Road Traffic Act, I have to commit an offense first. Is this a spot check, sir? Is this a spot check? Is this a spot check, sir?
Did the officer not tell you the reason why he asked for your documents?
No, he did not, sir.
You just said he told you that you run your plate on the system and it's showing that your insurance is expired.
Okay. However, he needs a reason to run my license plate. No.
Provide the officer with a driver's license document.
And what is the offense, sir? What is the offense that I have committed in the traffic that is causing you to ask for my documents? I'm asking you. I don't even know your badge number. What is your badge number? 21879. Nevada McNally.
The officer ran your plate and it is showing that your insurance is expired.
So he ran my plate.
You need to do a physical check of your documents to ensure that it's not.
And I'm asking, what is the offense that I committed while he ran my license plate?
He doesn't need a reason to run your license.
He does not? So that is according to who said that?
Let me ask you a question.
Who said that? The new commissioner said that?
Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
If it was a reason, if it was so, and we needed a reason, why would it be placed on the front of the motor car?
So that when and if I have committed an offense and the police need to identify the particular vehicle.
Provide the driver's license.
I am asking you, Mr. Nevada. You said Nevada?
Provide the driver's license document.
I am asking you for the offense, sir. Because according to him, I have no insurance.
Once more, provide me with the driver's license document, sir.
Sir, I'm asking you to provide me with the reason for the offense.
You're free to video.
I know, and you should have on a vest cam too, according to the new commissioner. Where's yours?
I was not sure.
And that's why I'm making sure to record this interaction for both of us.
No problem.
Okay, and I'm asking you, what is the offense that I have committed?
Did the officer not
What officer? What is his name?
Come on in. God, I want to know the reason why you refuse to do so.
No, it's not. You're going to find out the reason too. A matter of fact, if you want to, let me give you a hint. If you want to find out the reason, call the SSP, Mr. Williams, out of the station. Hold on. Or you could ask around by iProbe. They're open now as to the reason why
You can go to iProbe if you want.
No, I know that I can.
Yeah, provide me with your driver's license.
Provide me with a reason, because I have not heard the reason why my license plate was run.
We don't need a reason to run your license plate.
You don't need a reason.
We don't need a reason.
According to what? According to who? Who gave you that rule?
Section 90, under the road traffic act, we can stop any motor vehicle.
Without an offense?
And litter affair.
Is this a spot check?
Sir?
Is this a spot check? That's
not a spot check.
Okay, good. And it's not a way they call it now?
Hold on, let me just provide the officer with the
Sir, I want a reason why my privacy is being infringed. That's what I want. Listen, you said that I don't have any insurance. What about giving me a ticket? What about giving me a ticket for my no insurance and let me...
You driving and the government interfere with your privacy?
Yes, sir. My privacy, sir. First of all, you need a reason to run my license plate. Yeah, you need a reason to demand my documents. That is the law. I have to commit an offense against the Road Traffic Act, and then you voice that offense to me, and then after that offense is voiced to me, I provide my documents. You can't just get up and tell me, sir, to give your documents. We will go to court with it, sir. We will go to court with it. So you're forcing me to give you my documents?
Did I not just request it from you?
No, I'm asking you if you're forcing me, because I have already told you that you have not given me a reason for that.
Provide me with a driver's license.
You saw me in my seatbelt on, right?
Provide me with a driver's license document, sir.
Please note my registration is current. Please note my license is current. Please note my fitness is current. And please note it is your allegation of no insurance that is causing you.
What is shown on the system.
Okay.
To verify your documents that is
Okay. I guess you have to do what you have to do, you know, officer.
Okay, sir. Provide me with a driver's license document.
I guess you have to do what you have to do.
Stop at King Street. Yeah.
And this is come out the road for? To come see people and run them license plate? This is the one to come out here for. This is what you get paid to do. And this is come out. I saw the plan to make the quota. I saw the plan. When you're not going to make the numbers off of me. When you can't make the numbers off of me, I swear upon my life. I swear upon my life. None of you can make the numbers off of me. Failure to comply to all they say you reach. None of that. Go and rack it up. Rack it up, friend. Rack it up. So now my freedom of movement is also being infringed. My freedom of movement, my constitutional right is being infringed by you.
That is on you.
No, this is not on me, sir. You cannot give me a reason why you're asking for my documents.
I did that several
You can't say that, sir, because I have to commit an act again. I have to commit an offense against the Road Traffic Act. Have I done that?
Did we get the chance to verify that your
So-
documents were up to date?
No.
Okay.
You know why? Because I've not committed an offense. And you can't force my documents out of my hand without that. If you want to do anything that you have to do, you can do it, sir. But I also implore you, right, to reach out to the assistant. Well, I implore you, because I am telling you, I am currently...
Authority to request your driver's license.
Section what, sir?